Right, folks, it's a Sunday afternoon. No, it's not. It's a Sunday morning, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a Sunday morning. What do you do on a Sunday morning? Instead of putting your feet up and having a Sunday lunch, you get your missus in the workshop doing some sandblasting and powder coating.
Oh yeah, baby.
You're going to put some old gear on, baby?
I've got my top on, but I've got my pyjamas.
You got your top on? We're not going to do it topless.
Yeah, my old top. Well, you get more views.
Get up, come on. Pull yourself together, lady.
Sorry.
Right, well, we've got to do some powder coating. Well, we haven't got to. We could buy new handles, but she's always expressed an interest in doing some powder coating and having a bit of snow. It's a sandblasting, I think.
Sandblasting, I wouldn't have a go off. Yeah.
And quite a lot of people like watching it, so she's obviously seen the videos. You do watch the videos, don't you?
Of course I do, baby. I love watching you on my big 60-inch telly.
65-inch, actually.
Sorry, 65-inch telly.
So we thought we'd give her a little go today in the workshop.
Ooh.
Then she can go and do the dinner afterwards.
Dinner's on, baby.
Right, but before that, we've got some stickers, baby, we've had sent to us, haven't we?
We've had some visitors yesterday.
Yes, we had some visitors from Skeggy Cruiser and a couple of his old pals there. And it's got a lovely bike. It's a
Very nice bike,
1900 cc Yamaha. Right, big black thing it is. And absolutely fantastic. So Skeggy Cruiser, I know you'll be watching, so you're going to go on the Wall of Fame. Who else have we got there, Sharon? Danny from DT Motorcycles Essex. He's not long started his channel up. He fixes and buys and sells motorbikes and stuff. He's building his own little workshop now, so that's that one. Where you going? Ain't put ready yet, baby?
I'm getting them ready. So
Well, we've got to do the blinking show and tell first, Sharon.
people have got to find where they are.
Who we got here now? We got Top Conker, which is Phil. Phil is doing small lawnmower repairs and stuff like that, small engine stuff. He's only just started doing his channel, so get him going, get him some subs and all that. So that's Phil from Top Conker.
Top Conker.
Conker's half for life, Sharon.
Yeah.
And what's this one here? Oh, we're not promoting them, are we?
We're not even on there.
I just realised, yeah,
We're not on there.
we're not on the Wall of Fame, Butler's Empire. So,
As Butler's Empire, I'd like to go on the Retro Restore Wall of Fame, please.
okay, baby. Well, I'll let you do that. Come and put them on. Come on. Right, baby. Come on. Oh, you're gonna do your hair today?
No, just clipping it out because of sandblast. I don't want to go any more.
You're not putting your head in there, Shell?
Oh, no, when I lean over.
All right. We'll let it go, baby. We'll
You
let it
would
go.
know, haven't
Yeah,
you,
look, that
Lou?
one's curled up again, Shell. Look.
I know that bacon butters. It's like a cold up old sandwich, isn't it?
Curled up. DT Motorcycles Essex. Have a look at him. I'll try and leave the links in the description below for the channels. What?
This has got to be one of the biggest stickers on there, isn't it?
What ones? Top Conker. I know where he's.
Quite a big sticker.
It's the biggest one. Bacon Butters was the biggest one before that. So there you go, Phil. We're putting you down there on the old Wall of Fame. You've overlapped it, baby.
Yeah, I'm
look.
trying to keep poor old bacon butters.
Well, as I said to you last time we done this, Sharon, we have got more of these. You give us a few more of these. You probably knew that were going to fall off, Sharon. So that's that one. Keep that because Phil's got his address on the back there, and we'll send him our ones as well. So that's nice.
That and they'll be posted up
There's
tomorrow.
Skeggy Cruiser. Look, he's got this marvellous blinking mask he had on, Sharon, didn't he?
Oh yeah, the face bit.
That's
yeah,
the
that was
bike
really
he's got, the
good.
big 1900 Yamaha. Oh, you can't
Budget?
you can't put it over there, Sharon. No, don't do that,
looks
Sharon.
nice, eh?
Don't do that, baby.
I don't like being below him though.
Shell,
like him.
just put it on there, baby.
I'm not happy with
And there
that.
we go. I'll tell you what, Shell. We'll have to paint the rest of that wall, I think. Look.
Do the doors. I'm going to stake the doors.
Yeah, well, don't forget, when we eventually elongate this workshop, these doors probably we'll leave them on there, I suppose. You just walk through into the other bit, can't you?
Well, yeah, it stops the dust going through.
Yeah,
when you do
right.
things
So
with
what
it.
have we got here? Let's have a look what we've got here, Shell. We've got these old handles,
Sure, I've got his address.
and they're in a bit of a state. Now, we could buy these, as you know. We're doing a refurbishment.
It's Retro Restore.
Yeah, I know, Sharon. All right, you made your point.
There you go.
And they're in a bit of a state, so she said, oh, we'll sandblast them. They're quite chunky handles. I think they are brass.
They are, aren't they?
So they're obviously lacquered or whatever, and they've got some coating on them. But she wants some chrome, because we've got the old chrome upstairs, Sharon, haven't we?
Yeah.
You're going to do 4 of them. No, you're going to do 3 of them.
Yes. Yes.
And I'm going to do one on my retro
Oh,
hacks. So I'm going to do one on retro hacks. So I'm going to keep one behind. I'm going to keep that one behind over there, Sharon. And I'll allow you to do this for you. So first of all, let's go over to the not the powder
go
coating,
to the
the
machine.
sandblaster. Go on, off you go. Off you go, baby. Run over there. Go on, off you go. Tickle over there. Right, now what we've got here, baby, is a sandblasting cabinet.
What is it?
You want to sling them inside? Put them inside.
You put them inside here?
Throw them inside, baby. Just throw them, it doesn't matter. Go on, throw them. Right, that's it. Shut the door. Can you work the lock? Right, okay. So,
Hang on a minute.
hold on, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Oh, you can't sit in there, can you? Hey, is that better?
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
I'm glad I tied my hair up. Leaning over, my hair would have been in my
Yeah.
eyes.
Oh, look. Barney's there with you, baby, look.
You can say with your mama.
Right, so what you're going to do, you're going to stick your hands in the mittens, in the gauntlets, put them in there. Right, now, hold on for a minute, before you do anything. Barney's, look, he's right under my feet, Sharon, look.
He loves his mummy.
I've got to tidy this workshop up, Sharon, look at it.
Well, they're cold.
Right, so you're looking in there like that at the moment, yeah? Now, can you actually pick one of them up?
No.
Eh? Come on, bend down, baby.
The glove won't reach it.
It will reach it, Sharon.
Right, you do it. You do it.
Oh, look, I do it all the time, Sharon.
Do it. I can't. I knew that. I don't.
Pull your arms out, Sharon.
My sweatshirt, isn't it?
Right, look, arms in. Oh, no, you're right, you can't reach it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I forgot what I normally do. Hold on.
Everything's are bigger because the things are small, aren't they?
Oh, don't keep on, baby. I forgot
No, you're
what
wrong.
I normally do, Sharon. What I normally do, I pass it in. I put one hand in that glove, and I bring my other hand and hold it onto that glove. Yeah.
Well, get them out then.
Oh, I've got to put my hands in there myself now.
Yeah, shouldn't tell me to chuck them in, should you? Wally.
I can't reach them, Sharon. Right, hold it with that. Put your hand in.
And you expect me to reach?
That's it. Go on now. You got that?
Yeah.
Right, we'll leave them other two down there for the moment.
Hang on, can I reach the gun?
You can reach the gun, baby, yeah. Okay. Right, you in?
I'm in.
Right, you're not going to do nothing yet, but what you're going to do, you're going to pull that trigger in a minute and start blasting that thing, yeah? But you ain't going to do nothing because I haven't got the air connected yet, baby. So wait there. Right, I've connected the airline up, shall? We've got to turn the hoover on as well, the vacuum. So I'll do that for me. You might be able to hear us now, folks, so I'm going to put you on a little bit of background music. We'll try and capture her doing something, and we'll see you in a minute. Right, what did you think of that?
I quite enjoyed it.
You quite enjoyed it. All you had to learn, what was the thing you learnt today, baby?
Well,
When you were at Sandblasting, so
segments.
break everything down. What she was doing first of all was she was doing a bit on there and then going over to the back of the handle and then the side of the handle and kept having. I don't know if you saw my hand keep coming out.
You want to heard his mouth.
Well, it's hard to explain to someone when they've never done something before. I normally have got patience, but when it's my little princess,
Got no patience.
she's got a way of arguing back with me or doing.
Listen to words.
Or doing, well, I wouldn't let you say a word, would I?
true.
Or doing the opposite to what I say on my instructions to her. So basically, you've learnt, as you said, segment. So in other words, you start there, finish the base plate first before you move on to the handle. And when you've got the handle, rather than just do bits there and go on the other side, and then you've got to go over it again, haven't you? So just segment everything. Go around the outer edge first, then you know you haven't got to go back on it. But you've actually done a nice job. Let's show you. So as you can probably see there, they are brass. And we're just going to give them a bit of a blow down now.
How do you do that brassing?
Well, because you can tell by the colour, Sharon.
Oh, right, okay. No.
You've taken every surface off of that, and I can see that, and they're heavy by the weight of them. And all we're going to do now is just give them a bit of a blowout as well. We haven't taken them apart because they got...
That?
no, not like that. They've got these push...
Yeah, that's before and after.
Hold on, Shao. They've got these push-fit clips on them, so we don't want to pull them off, and otherwise, because they might make the handles floppy. So we're just going to go with it anyway. And you're right in what you said, Shao. Look at the state of them. Look, that was the original one. That's what we've actually got it down to after a few minutes work. So there you go. So it's taken all the lacquer off them basically, and brought them back to bare metal again. So should do this outside, but just give them a bit of a blow down. Just give them a bit of a blow down. Normally do this outside, just to get any residual grit out of the way. Wear goggles when you're doing this. Mine are all upstairs. What are you doing over there? Look,
No, you have to tell the accident. That's just damaged your ears.
No, that's that. Right, so now what we've got to do, Shao. So let's get all the dust off them. Come back round there, baby.
Yeah, I see it flying off actually. Where
I told you.
Yeah.
So get yourself a pair of them on, because you're going to clean them down now with some acetone.
Right.
Right, so we get some clean tissue here. Pull a bit of that off. Now let me just get it on here for you, and then you wipe them down, yeah? Right, there you go. So give them a good wipe down with the acetone. All around. You used to using that with the old nail varnish. It takes the old nail varnish off. I buy it in a job lot because you've got big nails. All right, you in there? And then once you've done that, put it over there where it's nice and dry and clean over that area. Do the next one. That's fine, baby.
Make sure I've got the edges.
Do the edges. Always go around the outside, Sharon. Yeah? It's good having a little lacquer here because normally I have to do everything, you see. Baby?
Yeah.
Right, clean your rag. Don't just use the same bit of rag all the time. Turn it over.
It looks a bit broken anyway.
Well, I know it does, baby. Come here, look. I'll help you, look. I'm here to help, Sharon. I'm here to help you. Once you've done that one, put that one down. Well, I don't think you need any more acetone. We'll be using a small powder coating oven for this because we've got little jobs, Sharon. I just want to show you that Sharon's never done anything like this before, have you?
No.
So this is her first time now, just like I taught Gary, Sharon. He's never done anything like this before. Now, he thinks he's an expert, Sharon.
Watch your space, Gary. Mummy's coming after you.
Mummy's coming after you. Right, so that's that. They're nice and clean now. We're happy with that. Then we're now going to get the powder coating gun, Sharon. Right, baby. So this is our Easy Coat system from Electrostatic Magic, Sharon.
Oh, yeah.
And this is our little powder coating gun. There's no electrical boxes at all connected to this. If you're first time ever doing powder coating, this is an ideal system to start you off with.
I am a beginner.
You are. So this is our gun. This, as I say, literally, there is a little clip that you clip on there onto the bar, and then you put that around your wrist. But I don't even use that now, so I don't actually use that anymore. I find there's enough static in the air to cause the powder to adhere to the copper bar and the parts over there. I'll show you that in a minute. So right, this is our gun. So all we've got to do is screw our bottle of powder onto the top here, connect it up to the compressor via the water trap. So if you just get that little water trap out of there, Sharon, just screw that onto there.
At the back?
Yeah. Just screw it on. You haven't got to do it hand tight. You haven't got to go tight at all. Once that's on, and then put our little adapter on afterwards. Just give it a nip up with your hand. That's it. And then screw our little adapter on there. And what that does, that allows us to connect our air supply to it via our compressor. Bearing in mind, you don't need a big compressor. You can get away with a little 25 litre compressor. So that's that. So chrome powder coating should be over here in the drawer. So our powder coating over here, we've got gold gloss, titanium, satin silver. Right, so I dug it out, baby. Right, so this is high chrome. Now, with the high chrome, it does need a protective coating on the top of it to protect it.
Clear?
Yeah, but we're not going to use the clear because I've tended to find with the powder coating chromes, they come out lovely and shiny out of the oven once you've left them in there. And then you're supposed to put the clear powder coat over the top, which is a clear, well, basically a clear lacquer, but in powder coat. So then you have to heat it up again. And what you do then is when you pull it out of the oven, it just loses its chromy shine. So what I've decided to do, rather than use the powder coat chromes, to put the chrome powder in the oven for 2 lots of sessions, because you have to put this in, is it for 30 minutes? I think, if I remember rightly. Yeah, I think the chrome goes in for 30 or 20 minutes. I can't remember exactly. But it tends to lose it. It dulls off a bit. So I'm going to use the chrome, but then I'm going to lacquer it with a normal lacquer, a spray lacquer, so that you preserve the chrome.
Does that also mean, for us women out there, that you won't have to keep polishing?
Exactly.
I like it.
And it won't tarnish. So that's the idea of it. So I have used the clear on the chrome, but I find better to use a liquid spray out of a rattle can to give it or keep it retaining its sparkle. So anyway, right, so all you do, you take the lid off of there, baby. Now be careful now, because you're going to be putting the gun on top and screwing that. Don't tip that up that way.
No, you tip it like that.
That's it, you got it. See, common sense, isn't it? Be careful, don't cross-thread it. Nip it up. That's lovely. Beautiful. You're screwing that well, baby. Right, and that is basically it now. The gun's ready. Turn that the other way, look. All we've got to do now is connect the air to it, hang the parts up.
Oh, you got some hooks sent you, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, we've got hooks as well. Electrostatic Magic. Where are they, Shell?
Did you bring them in off the table?
No, I didn't. I left them. I'll go and get them there. Go and get them. So,
well, you put the air thing on.
all right, well, it's all ready, Shell. I've just got to clear the workshop up a little bit. Right, so all we're going to do is we're going to hang these parts up. Now they're chemically clean. just through one of the holes there, hang them up, she'll powder coat them, and then we'll put the small oven on. We're not going to put the big powder coating oven that I made. Let me show you our little oven. So I've got this little oven here, which is a Netta. I'll leave a link in the description below. I think this is probably a 46 litre one, so it's a nice size. You don't want to go for the little tiny ones. You won't be able to get anything in there or hang brackets up and all that. So we're going to be using this today because this really heats up in no time. But I did make this one out of an old office filing cabinet and an old cooker. And I'll leave where do I put the cards? Up there. I'll leave a card up there to the actual build for this powder coating oven if you want to make your own one. Failing that, there'll be a link in the description below for this Netta oven, the one I've got here. Right, so Electrostatic Magic Shower, they actually sent us these hanging wires now, because all I was using was welding wire, you see. So all we have to do is literally just hang the part up like that, and then hang them on our copper bar, which we've got there. So let's go and do that now. Right, baby, so get your parts and go and hang them on that pipe over there. This is just literally just a straight bit of copper tube or whatever. You're all right, you've got the gloves on so you can touch the part. So you get them up there. All we're really basically worried about is the front. We're not going to powder coat the back at all. So, hey, what are you doing?
So they're all hanging the same.
Oh, okay, well, whatever. You happy with it?
Yeah, I am now.
Right, okay, wait there. I'm going to get the gun connected for you. Right, so all you're going to basically do, baby, is that there's no pressure in there. You're just going to squeeze the gun and just dust it over, all that. But with your other hand, you want to take that hand. Are you left-handed or right-handed in that with the holding the gun?
Like this hand, yeah.
You happy with that hand?
Yeah.
Right, so take that glove off.
Yeah.
Because you're going to be holding that copper bar, and that gives you the negative charge to the powder. Right, so
ready?
not yet. No, wait there, baby. I've got to turn the fan on. Well, you won't be able to hear us, folks. 'Cause we're going to put the fan on. Right, go on in. Dust it up and down. Go on, go. That's it. Go on. Right, now do the other one. All over, up and down. You've missed a bit on the top. All around. That's it. Do the bottom edges. Stop. Now do the last one. So she's just turned them round. As I said, hold on, Shell. We're not worried about doing the back sides, as I said to you, but we just want to make sure that we've got inside them little creases in there. So just give them a little squirt in there, Shell. Dust it. That's it. Go on. There you go. Are you happy with all the edges? Now that is it. That's the powder coat chrome. Turn that fan off, Shell. So that is the powder coat chrome now on. Now we're going to put these into the oven now and let them cook. Right, I've just hung them up for Sharon, put them in there. A little bit tricky to get them in there because I've had to change the hooks to lower hooks because the other ones were too long. Right, shut your door, baby. This is the bit you should know well, the cooking bit. So shut your oven door. Now that's all set because I've got that all set. All you've got to do is turn your timer on for 20 minutes. There you go. And that's them in now. Let's wipe that so you can see what you're doing. So let's try and set you up so you can see them cook and change colour. Right, baby. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's open the door. The camera time lapse went wrong, people, so I don't know whether you caught all that. I've let it cool down for a little bit. Let's have a little look at her first bit of powder coating.
I'm scared.
Oh, that's hot. Let me hang it up, Shell. Right, well, there we go. There's a little before and after. Compared to what we had before, as you can see, that was the state of the handles before. They're a lot better. They're still hot, I can't touch them at the minute. So there you go, baby. What did you think about your first go at powder coating?
There'll be more handles going in.
And who's turned up? Look. Crap it, man. So there you go. That's Sharon's first attempt at powder coating. She's never done anything like this before. That's how he learned, by watching me.
I like the patina on this one.
That's a... Well, you can have that one. How about that?
No, we need it, love.
All right. Well, there you go. Very warm, baby, isn't it? I can't really pick it up yet.
Touching them.
No, very nice.
Yeah, I'm very pleased.
What? You're very pleased.
I quite enjoyed it as well. It's nice when you see something go from that to that.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks very much, folks. Don't forget, hit the like button. Put your thumbs up. Isn't it, Sharon? Not thumbs up, thumbs up.
And ring that bell. Oh, you ring your bell for notifications.
Yeah, I've got a sticker for you from Skeggy Cruiser.
I think you left it indoors.
So you can put that on your wall of fame. Anyway, thanks very much, folks. Hope you've enjoyed Sharon's little first attempt at sandblasting and also powder coating. Now, the thing is, Sharon, you'll be in here all the time while I'm sitting there doing the dinner.
Yeah.
Put your feet up, baby. I'll go do the dinner.
Not really?
No. Get the kettle on. Come on, let's go.
Just add one. Look, just add one.
See you in a minute, folks. Don't forget. See you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.
Bye.